Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice, creator of Pinoy Tech Dad. Do you remember the popular Sabbat series from 2019? We have the Sabbat X12 Ultra and then the more popular Sabbat E12 Ultra. Well, apparently Sabbat actually has a new product in 2020 and I've been waiting for a new product from Sabbat, and finally we have one here on the channel. And this was quite a surprise for me. Digital Walker actually contacted me about this just yesterday. And then we finally have the product here, and I actually searched this on the internet and apparently no one has a video up on this yet. So I want to be the first to unbox this and put this out on YouTube. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is just going to be a very raw unboxing video, and I'm going to be giving you my initial impressions as well. And there's not going to be much of an edit on this video, so expect that in my full review. But for now, let's go ahead and unbox this. This is called the Sabbat Vooplay, and I'm not sure yet if this is actually a continuation of their X12 and E12 series, but from the looks of it, it doesn't look anything like the Sabbat E12 or X12 Ultra. So you can see the packaging here. We have the Sabbat branding, and then Lin is the actual name of the colorway that we have here. And then we have the Vooplay name right there. And of course, we have Bluetooth 5.0 and aptX. Then let's see the other side of the box. Here you can see the actual colorway that we have. I actually requested a lighter colorway so that it will look better in the video. So thank you, Digital Walker. Yes, this is exclusive so far to Digital Walker. They're the only ones who have this for now. And if you want to be the first one to have this, make sure to check out the link in the description box. And then let's just go ahead and unbox this so you guys will have an idea what's inside. Oh, and it also says that it is wireless charging capable. So it's compatible with your Qi chargers. So that's nice. So it says here that it has CVC 8.0. So I think this one is for noise canceling the background noise when you're making calls. So this, I think, is a feature of the microphone that it has. It says voice of the earth. I'm not sure about that. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Okay, so I think this is the proper side. All right, so we have the Sabbat branding here, the Sabbat logo, and it's clean on the other sides. And then let's open it up. I'm always impressed with the packaging of Sabbat products. With the Sabbat X12 Ultra and the E12 Ultra, they had amazing packaging, high quality, premium quality packaging. And I think the same goes for this one, the Vooplay. So this is a connection guide, as you can see here. We have English and then we have a Chinese version at the back. So let's put that aside. And then we have documentation, manuals, I would believe. So we have the instruction manual here. Really nice. See that? Premium instruction manual. It's the same with the E12 Ultra and the X12 Ultra. And then we finally get to see the actual product. So we'll take a look at these after checking out what else is inside of the box. So right here, so we get a pouch, and yeah, that's about it, the pouch. And then it's branded with Sabbat's logo as well. And of course, I'm assuming this is USB Type-C, and I am correct. We have a USB Type-C cable. And then let's go ahead and check out the actual product itself, finally. And we actually have a 3M adhesive here. I'm not sure what this is for. Let's go ahead and get the case and the earphones. All right, so right off the bat, yes, this has the design or the shape or the form factor of the X12 Ultra. And already I love it. But check this out. This is a very unique design. This is the first time I've seen something like this. This looks a lot like a pill, like a biogesic pill or a button. So it's not touch control. You have a button right here. You can see that. And it has a matte finish, just non-slippery. It's matte finish. And you can see the LED light indicators right there. So it's trying to pair. So you can see the form factor. It's the same AirPods design. So if you love the X12 Ultra like I do, you're gonna love this. Let's put that side by side so you can see the size comparison between the X12 Ultra and the Vooplay. So let's go ahead and test this. All right, so now we've tested this for a few hours. So I use this for music listening, I use this for watching YouTube videos, and I use this for some gaming, playing Call of Duty, as you will see on the screen. Yes, you can definitely use this for gaming. There's a little bit of a delay, but that's a very, very minuscule delay that you can overlook when you're playing games. If you're not playing competitively, I can assure you that you can use this for gaming, especially for Call of Duty or PUBG. But if you're playing competitively, I would always recommend to use a wired setup. Anyway, sound quality wise, this sounds a lot like the X12 Ultra. Even the volume is so powerful, I can only get up to 60% or 70% volume when I was listening to music on this. The Sabbat Vooplay has somewhat of a bigger soundstage compared to the Sabbat X12 Ultra. So if you enjoy a bigger soundstage, you're gonna love the Sabbat Vooplay. Now, as for the bass and all the other tones right here, I think it's almost the same with the Sabbat X12 Ultra. So if you're looking for a really high quality, good sounding audio TWS, this will provide you with that. It is worthy of the Sabbat branding. And I'm sure a lot of you who are looking for a new TWS in 2020 will love the sound on this Sabbat Vooplay. But if you want a more detailed and in-depth take on the Sabbat Vooplay, make sure to check out my channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can watch the full review on this. But for now, that is my first and initial impressions on the Sabbat Vooplay and my quick unboxing as well. I almost forgot talking about the case on this. So this has a very different case from the Sabbat X12 Ultra, as you can see. This one looks like a clamshell design. This has a leather-like finish. It's not plastic like the Sabbat X12 Ultra with its design. So because this has a leather-like finish, it's gonna get scratched, it's gonna get damaged, and there's a chance that this would crack or this would fray after a while. Now that I'm taking a look at it, it looks a lot like a soap bar. So that's what you'll get with the case on this. But again, it's a clamshell design. And then you have a USB Type-C charging cable, and underneath you don't have any markings at all. Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is just my initial impressions on the Sabbat Vooplay. And again, if you want to get your own Sabbat Vooplay, make sure to check out the links in the description box. A huge shout out to Digital Walker for sending this to me to be able to share to you guys my initial impressions and my quick unboxing of the Sabbat Vooplay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.